Assalamu alaikum everyone. Another pump from Pepe yesterday, and we are squeezing now. And I've told you about this thing that, enjoy your time, take your time off. We have time until 7th of January. 5 more days, guys. Just 5 more days. So it will still be okay to kind of see Pepe coming down again to 13,240 and eventually start to pump all the way up to 17,784. So we're talking about a price movement of nearly 26%. Now this was a very good entry yesterday down at the support at 12,000. That has been like an 8% pump, and if you break, you're looking for a 37% push to the upside. So you do have a very simple symmetrical triangle going on in here, which really just needs that break. It's really juicy and it's really squeezing right now, so it's almost like you're squeezing in a lemon. So when life gives you lemon, make lemonades, I guess. And I'm just gonna keep it short, okay? Today, no long stories, just 5 more days, and we're going to see anytime within the next 5 days what really happens. And keep in mind, always be realistic, work with stop losses. I will say right now, the stop for this triangle could actually be somewhere to 12,341. That's a good stop for the triangle. If you really are looking for this thing to push up, right? It shouldn't be coming down here. If you start to come down, that means you pop below the triangle, and you might retest the triangle just to fall down to 10,000. Okay, be realistic. The break hasn't happened. It hasn't happened. But I think the break, okay, let's take a side. I'm taking the side of a pump to the upside because of so many obvious reasons that I've told you before. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.